Good day and welcome to sales. We've got a beautiful 2007 75-foot elevator that just takes a regular driver's license to drive. Hydraulic brakes, fast operating boom. Here's your chance to look up the truck, down the truck, and all the way around. We've sandblasted, primed, and painted this truck. Give it a good reconditioning process for its next life. Here's a beautiful truck. You can see some pitting where we've hit this with the blaster, but we use really good paint that gets down there and really does this. Now, this is a beautiful, nice truck. It's been sandblasted down to bare metal, primed and painted. It's really cleaned up nice. Got a nice hitch here on the back. Take a look at that boom operating. We're selling it to you work ready. It's standing here. We're showing a video of it working and operating. Here's an awesome truck. Lots of storage space on it. Then you've got your long place back here. Put that all the way through there. Nice, looks good in there. Vented roof caps. Good rubber on it. You can see where there was some rust on the frame. That's been sandblasted all the way down, and good primer and paint's been put on. Very nice unit here. '2007 GMC. A nice elevator truck here with hydraulic brakes. She's looking good under the engine compartment. Here's a nice unit here. Give me a call on my cell phone and I would love to make a deal with you on this one. 260-760-5052. She's standing tall here today. Forestry elevator bucket truck, 2007, ready for work. The Kubota pony motors operating and working. We're going to show you the downriggers going up and down now. Nice unit here. Coming back around to this side, we're going to go down to the idle here. She runs nice there, and then the key switch to turn it off is just inside. All right, now we're going to zip around over here and show you how she goes here. One thing for me to tell you and one thing for me to show you. Here's an awesome operating unit here. Going to disengage that parking brake and head on out. This is a 6-speed transmission, 8.1 liter gas engine with the Kubota pony motor. We showed the boom operating and working. Now we're going to show you driving down the road. This thing really drives nice. It has lots of power, sounds good. Give me a call on my cell phone, 260-760-5052. That's 260-760-5052. I want to thank you again for watching the video. Visit our website at www.99trucks.net. That's the 2 number 9s, 99, and the word trucks, TRUCKS.net. Here's a nice operating unit that runs good, drives good. Love to get you a delivery quote to bring this one over to you. Please give me a call on my cell phone, 260-760-5052.